Yeah, so this is what we're working on today. So 890-2787, it's a Variac, it's a 15 amp one. That is what it looks like. So it needs to go in a housing. It's got 5 terminals on it. It enables you to sort of vary your sort of line voltage from 0 to 274 volts if it's wired up to sort of 230 volts or thereabouts. And that's what we're going to need for testing these hobs, which have come back from the cruise ship. We think the problem is more to do with voltage than anything else. These things are thoroughly tested before they're shipped to the ship. So that's it. That's what we're going to be working on today. This is the company I'm working with, working at for this project. It's a very heavy thing. I think this is probably sort of on the 20 kilos. Again, very expensive to buy brand new. I say in the UK, this one would sort of retail brand new around sort of £840 British pounds. I don't know what that equates to in sort of US dollars or something. I might try and do a calculation and put something on there. But yeah, this came via an auction that went onto an auction site. It went onto eBay. I made them a very cheeky offer because it was on there. It was on there for a long time. It's a bit of a niche bit of sort of equipment, to be honest. So it was on the auction site for a long time, and they were initially asking sort of £300. Then it went to sort of 200. Then it went to sort of make me an offer type thing, and I made them a very cheeky offer. Offered them £100 including shipping, and when it's sort of 20 kilos or thereabouts, the sort of shipping is fairly expensive anyway. They said yes. I couldn't really believe it, but they did. They said yes, let's have a deal. It arrived. It looks absolutely fine. There's like it's got an analog sort of a look about it, very sort of vintage look about it. There is it's a bit like the size of a CD, a compact disc, and the sort of dial that is. The dial was made of metal. It got a bit misshapen somewhere, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Just needs a slight. You can probably even straighten it with your fingers, to be honest. But other than that, it looks perfect, and that's the project for today. Unbox it. Figure out how it's wired. Mock everything up on the desk first and go from there. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna have to sort of make a housing, adapt to housing, find something we can adapt, because I say it comes like that, and obviously everything's exposed and it's not very safe. You can't leave it like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Laszlo, who is down here, he is our workshop cat. He's gonna help me, but I think he's more interested in breakfast at this point. So yeah, that's the project for today. I'm going to stop waffling, feed Laszlo, and we'll come back to you in a bit. Okay? See you in a bit.